where do we expect ourselves in the next 3 to 5 years? Sizable growth, headcount 500 to 1500, customer base to be increased manifold, presence in 20 to 25 locations, including overseas. And the key is that the leadership has to increase. From, I don't know whether this 20 figure is correct right now or not, but it's within that range. And this is one major focus area, because this last point will decide the first and second part. So the key, which again flows from this, is that if we want that kind of growth, and as I have said, the position growth and financial growth comes from the number of people you manage and number of volume you manage. So it's totally up to you. We are on a fast track of growth. Whosoever can keep up the pace of that fast track will go on fast track. Somebody who is little less obviously will be little less.